Looking for the best cat beds? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 cat beds on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, K&H Manufacturing, Kittysil Deluxe Bed. Cats love to perch and sleep way up high, so they'll instinctively be drawn to the Kittysil. Strong Velcro holds the perch in place on your windowsill, or use the included screws for permanent attachment. The comfy bed has a soft bolster around the back and is padded with extra soft microfleece to keep fluffy cozy. Supports cats up to 40 pounds. Washable cover. This bed provides a comfortable lounging spot that's perfect for cat naps, and it also serves as an observation deck on life outside the window. Your windowsill must be at least 2 inches deep to support this cat bed. At number 2, Amazon Basics Cooling Elevated Cat Bed. Elevates 7 inches from the ground. Smooth, rounded edges protect cats from getting hurt, especially when crawling over corners. Well-made design that will last for years. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Bonus points for being tall enough for robotic vacuums to run beneath them and for puppies. Popular in homes with puppies since the bed is tall enough to put distance between them and cats. This raised mesh bed allows for air circulation, making it popular for long-haired cats in warmer climates. There really isn't anything cozy about this Spartan design, unless you count comfort derived from ventilation. At number 1, Best Bed Supplies, Tent Bed. With soft, polyfoam walls and a plush pillow for lounging comfort, Socks will love spending time in his private tent. Available in 3 sizes, 5 colors, and polyester or faux suede. The bed is machine washable, foldable for storage or travel, and large enough for the biggest tabby, a pair of felines, or even your small dog. It will also look attractive in your living room. This bed is sturdy enough to hold its shape as your cat slinks in and out, yet soft and sturdy enough to provide the sort of pampering he feels entitled to. Some complaints that the bed does not hold up well to machine washing. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.